here we've got a cat pan. It's 92 inches is the inside diameter of this pan. We're going to show it going up and down, and we got to rehook it because we only got 2 remotes on our tractor. But we had a gentleman call wanting to know about this stuff, and we never had really hooked it up, and we got it cleaned up a little better so you can see exactly what it is. This pan was traded in by a big company. They hadn't used it in a little while, but they have bigger pans now. Good and smooth. I wasn't sure how good the hoses are, but everything seems to be okay. They told me, they said, hey, last time you used this pan, everything was fine on it. We got it on a little bitty tractor, so that's why it's working slow, but it had the right fittings. It does have Pioneer hookups. While they're changing those hookups, to something different here, let me show you. Tires on the back are not very good. They're a heavy ply, but the tread's coming off and they're weather checked. 1600 20s, and they are a 16 ply. It's got the back ejector cylinder, and they're going to hook it up. Everything seems to be moving like it should. It does have the dolly wheels in the front. These cylinders have been added, okay, folks? So these are non-factory Welds. Now this was an ejector, but it was probably on a self-propelled machine at one time, okay? So back then that's what they did. I'm not sure the age of this pan, but we do have serial number there. It is a factory cat. It is factory cat equipment. The cylinders and the brackets have been added, so there are non-factory welds in those areas. But you can look down in it there and see how straight the cutting edge is, front and back. This pan really hasn't been abused for its age. And it will show you the I think they're going to hook the ejector up now, and so it show it coming forward and back. Front tires are really decent. They've been probably replaced, and they're a 1400 R20 XL. Okay, they've got that. So this is going to raise so you can eject out the front. There again, everything good and smooth. This really is made for like a tractor with 3 remotes on it, because you have different functions. You've got this function up here, you've got the raise and lower of the machine, and then you've got the one ejector. The hose on the ejector part of it doesn't look very good, but we're going to try it. I'm just not going to take it out too far, but you can see it kind of moving up the way here. Then we'll show you coming back. We've got it on a too little a tractor for this, but it's kind of our yard dog, and we knew it would hook up to it, so this is kind of a quick video, but you can see that moving. We've got this on like a 60 horse tractor, and it needs to have a lot bigger tractor under it. So this is that big cylinder in the back. It probably didn't have any fluid in it, but we got our little tractor probably didn't have a big enough fluid reservoir. But you saw it moving back and forth. I'm surprised everything's working like it has, because it's been setting. But seems to be mechanically seems to be a good pan. We just wanted to show it because we really didn't know anything about it. People were calling. I see a place kind of in the side. I don't know what that. If somebody has, it looks like something's welded from the outside there. It's not on this side, so we might go to the other side and look, see what that is. Looks like right here, maybe it's a patch over time. Maybe there's something hooked on the big deal. And then we have this. This gives you all your applications with it. So it's here, it's available, and we have people interested, but we wanted to do a more in-depth video so they knew more about what it was. So